Kamla Life Sciences Limited. Achieve the magical figure of revenue in 1 month of August 2021.
I would like to invite our guests on stage. First, our chief guest, Mr. Nimesh and Ms. Swarnali. Please come on stage, please.
I'm so happy to see Swarnali here with us today. Swarnali is my daughter. And Nimesh is my in-law. So, we can already invite him. Great program. Please be there.
Thank you. Next, our guest of tomorrow, Mr. Ashok Nayak, sir. Please give a round of applause.
Mr. Ashok Nayak is the CEO of Network manufacturing in participant of that and my thank you. He is very welcome, sir.
Next, our Managing Director, Mr. Rajendra Jawar, sir. Please give a round of applause.
As you know, Rajendra is my elder brother. I don't need to introduce him again. He is my elder brother, he is my partner, he is my closest dearest friend, and he is my chief mentor. Thank you.
Next, our Director, Mr. Milind Sale, sir. Please give a round of applause.
I don't think so. Mr. Milind needs any introduction. He is in Tarapur MRDCs way before we started. And Mr. Milind Sale is not only our friend, he is our business partner, he is our elder brother, and he is also my chief mentor. Whenever I find any difficulty anywhere in business, out of business also, I approach him and he will not be listening. Always. Thank you.
Next, I request Mr. Santosh Ararwa, sir, to please come on stage.
Santosh Verma. I must say Mr. Santosh Verma sir, because I know him since long time. The day I started my business profession as a doctor since say minimum since class 25 years back. Santosh Verma, qualification is a chartered accountant. He is also my brother, my friend, my mentor. And he is the greatest and for main advanced member of Kamla.
Next, I request Dr. Neeraj Rawat, sir, to please come on stage. Sir, please give a round of applause. Neeraj Rawat, sir. Dr. Neeraj Rawat, sir.
Neeraj Rajendra Jawar. He is Rajendra son, means my son only. He has just finished his MBBS here from Government Medical College, Solapur. He last week he appeared for NEET for PG, post-graduation. And I hope he will successfully clear that exam also. So we will be seeing one eminent physician in this territory in next 3 years' time. Thank you.
Next, I request Mr. Padmakar Gulane, sir, to please come on stage.
Padmakar Gulane, Mr. Padmakar Gulane, sir. I have to formally I need to take Mr. and sir for Gulane because all these people are very close to me, very close to my heart. He is the only person who stood by me in our downtime also. He put 100% trust on me. He was remain associated with us And I'm so happy to have him today with us. And he has got his in-law with him. We welcome him also.
Now I would specially request our favorite chairman of the group of company to express his feelings about this achievement.
Hello, good evening, gentlemen. First of all, thank you very much for gathering, reaching out here and Saturday evening, especially to all Apple staff, Wanda staff, and my friends. Respected chief guests, Sonali and Nimesh, though they are my daughter and son-in-law, but in the formal occasion, I must offer my respect to them. Guest of honor, Ashok Nair sir, my friend Santosh Gurula, Vinit Save, Aju Dada, Neeraj, Punane sir. It is truly giving me immense pleasure to declare that we have not only achieved, but we crossed our first milestone. I know, I alone cannot do anything, but we together, certainly, surely, we can do wonders in our lives. My friends, you know when the baby tree 2 years before, it was planted here in Karapur MIDC with the name Kamla Life Sciences Limited. It has been nurtured well by Team Kamla. And today it is taking very good shape, very good shape. Team Kamla has put their 100% brain and heart. They have got big attention and attachment towards the organization and towards the growth of it. HTIC, they are hardworking, dedication is there, 100% involvement is there, and they are very, very committed to our all esteemed partners, business partners. I'm really, very much blessed to have such a terrific team with me. I wish all of them to remain with me till they get retired for mutual benefits. When we are talking about this celebration, we all know the moment we celebrate some joy, some success, we cannot forget the most important thing to offer or to express our gratitude towards the people, towards the organization who stood by us like success makers. There is very big mistake in gratitude. To make you of them, I cannot forget to initiate any celebration, any happy moments without taking Lord Dattatreya, who is showing His blessings continuously on us. In all achievements, He is there with us. There are so many people in this industry, everybody is struggling, but the way we are seeing the miraculous achievements, miraculous success, though we are seeing turbulences in our journey, all of the big turbulences we have faced last week only when we saw our new factory can craft uplifted 2 feet. The moment it was very sad, very bad. But see, miracle happened within 24 hours, and that uplifted craft settled down without much effort within 24 hours. It's a miraculous. What does that show? 100% blessings is watching us. That is why our each action we promote with His mission. The second name in the list is my parents and grandparents. Without these blessings, moral support, we cannot think of anything. Third most important, Raju Dada. I can never forget his support. He is my elder brother. as I said, is my partner, he is my closest friend, and my chief mentor. Here in the list, when we are talking the success of Tangra, we cannot forget Impulse. Today, we see the balance sheet of Impulse is smaller than Tangra, but we cannot forget our Tangra Foundation, financially 100% supported by Impulse. Impulse is a success pillar for Tangra, and so 3 cheers for Impulse and Impulse Team Impulse. And gratitude to all my dear friends, that is my brothers in Team Tangra. Friends, after gratitude, when we celebrate something, we cannot forget the responsibilities on our head. You all know very well, when we achieve something, it's difficult way. I know the journey was not that easy, but maintaining, sustaining, and progressing from one milestone to second milestone requires more hard work, more effort, more teamwork, more bonding. All these things is most important. So the next journey is still more tougher.
But I know you all and audience. Yes. I know.
Hello, yeah.
I want to see
This is new. I am the big fan of Mr. Vivek Gundra, big bazaar, big business. He always say, if you have got peace in you,
courage, conviction, and confidence.
and I know it is, you are finished full of these 3 qualities in you. But I hope you inculcate more and more to reach that our destination.
So we are traveling from
Highway.
Yes, yes. See, dear friends, the journey is too far. As I said, we have just crossed first milestone. The journey is for 100 miles. If I calculate that way, if we celebrate one occasion every year, it will take 100 years, and I can tell you that. So we need to squeeze this, not squeeze the wisdom, but we can put more effort to squeeze this time. Time can be squeezed. So I want to put your 100% once again. And let us see this destination, this dream come true by the end of 2030, 1,000 crores, sorry, 10,000 crores. In next 10 years time, though it sounds odd, trust me, you will find the way as we pass, you will find it is easy and more easy when we put hard work. My friend, I want to grab this destination with dignity, with reputation, so there is no shortcut, we have to follow legal ways only. So my friends, I take your leave and I request many of you to come forward, put a verse, put a suggestion today for 2 minutes. And this happy occasion, I want to announce 3 things from Team Impulse, Mr. Vijay Rajput. I hope he is here. Just raise your hand. Rajput is here. See, a single person cannot do. As I said, I am a chairman. Even when I say I alone cannot do. But even then, particular direction is required. And I am so happy to see his work, the way he is taking his team forward. So I announce today, he is today General Manager in Impulse Pharma. I want to announce him as a Vice President of Impulse Pharma today. The same way, in Team Tangra,
my closest advisor, Mr. Bhavik. I want to declare immense Bhavesh. He is always busy with some of these things, like he must be managing something. So I want to announce his name as a general manager for business development. And last but not the least, Mr. Paresh Parmar. He is general manager today. Paresh, I keep my word. And he is the first vice president of Kamala Group rather. In any celebration, when we offer some memento, only memento doesn't work, we have to do some cash in with that. So I announce these positions with the minimum 10% of increment immediately, with immediate effect from 1st October. Thank you very much. I take your leave. Enjoy your party. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड सर जैसा कि आपने कहा हम लोग हमारा 100% देंगे सेकंड माइलस्टोन को भी अचीव करने के लिए प्लीज गिव अ राउंड ऑफ नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट मिस्टर परेश वर्मा सर टू प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज एंड से सम फ्यू वर्ड्स
Hello everyone. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? आवाज नहीं आ रही. How's the Josh? I am overwhelmed. Thank you very much. My favorite chairman. Not because he has announced me as a vice president. It's not such. Sorry. Sentiments attached. But he deserves to be a chairman. Won't know. He works for 7 days, I work for 6 days. So that's one difference. One difference, sir. Always happens. So that's one difference. हमारी की बात होती है वो बोलते हैं मैं 7 दिन काम करता हूँ, तो 6 दिन काम करता है. मैं कभी कभार उनको बोलता हूँ 24 घंटा कम लगता है आपके साथ काम करते हैं तो it's a fact. So this is a workaholic. We are not. हमको थोड़ा पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल ब्लेंड करना पड़ता है, वो भी करते हैं, हमको थोड़ा कम करते हैं. So that's the difference between our chairman and us. And it's a pleasure when we are, I'm given the opportunity to talk this big shot, all our entrepreneurs. Thank you very much everyone. And 1,000 crore is like peanut for us. 10,000 chota go peanut. We will achieve it. So, how's the Josh? Thank you very much. Good day, good night, and enjoy the party.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Rajput sir to please come on stage and say some few words. Please give a round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. One year now, I was out of India for last 4 years. Although I was away from here, I was always attached to the and we are in touch continuously. So I'm really happy, and I'm really happy with the team I am having. We are doing small achievements there, which is giving
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Please give a round of applause for Miss Swarali. Thank you so much. Okay, sir have to say some few words. Sir wants to say some few words. Please, sir.
Hello. Mr. Vijay Sanke is associated since long, many years with Impulse Pharma. He is the head accounts and finance department to Impulse Pharma. He is 100% putting he is 100% involved, dedicated and hard work. We don't see the watch. He coming in office is fixed, but going from office is not fixed. These are his two qualities. Please, Vijay.
Thank you, sir. सर इंग्लिशमध्ये स्पीक करत असतात. आपली सगळी उपस्थिती मराठी माणसाची जास्त आहे, त्यामुळे मी दोन शब्द मराठीत सांगतो. आज मला अत्यंत आनंद होतो की आज मी माझ्या उच्च ऑर्गनायझेशनच्या ग्रुपवर दोन शब्द बोलण्याची आज मला संधी मिळालेली. प्रथमतः माझ्या स्टेजवर उपस्थित असलेले या कमला ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीचे चेअरमॅन आदरणीय डॉक्टर D.J. भवर, दिगंबर जयकिशन भवर, माझा मुलगा. तसेच माझे जवळचे मित्रासारखे आणि तेही आज या संचालकाच्या सोबतीला बसलेले माझे आवडते संपादक डायरेक्टर राजेंद्र धवलकर उर्फ राजूदादा, हे आमचे नेहमीच मित्रासारखे वागत असतात. त्यांचे विचार, त्यांचे राहणीमान मी कधी विसरू शकणार नाही. ते आज कितीही मोठे झाले तरी त्यांना त्या गोष्टीचा कधी असा आनंद तर होतोय, पण ते रूपात दाखवत नाही. असे आमचे राजूदादा सगळ्यांचे आवडतात. म्हणजे आम्ही नेहमीच म्हणत असतो एकच वादा आमचा राजूदादा, तसे आमचे राजू. त्याचप्रमाणे आपल्या या औद्योगिक क्षेत्रात नेहमी वाखाणले जाणारे नायर सर, यांना गेल्या 20-25 वर्षापासून लोक ओळखत असतात. त्यांचं नाव नेहमीच एका ठिकाणी उपस्थित असतो. असे आमचे नायर सर, त्यांनाही माझं प्रणव. तसेच आमचे आवडते, सगळ्या ठिकाणी लक्ष देणारे, काळजीपूर्वक कोणाला काय पाहिजे, कोणाला काय नको, काय केलं पाहिजे असे समजणारे आमचे सावे सर, आपण माझ्या मानाचा. त्याचप्रमाणे आमचे इकॉनॉमिक लेवल सांभाळणारे, जे बॅलन्स शीट क्रिएट करतात, अॅनलाइज करतात, आमचे संतोष माझा. तसेच आज उपस्थित असलेले महत्वाचं म्हणजे त्यांचं बोलायला पाहिजे होतं, हे आज पूर्णतः कुठलाही व्यत्यय न आणता पूर्णपणे एकदम प्रॉपर अभ्यास करून डॉक्टर झालेले डॉक्टर नीरज यांचा जोरदार टाळ्याने स्वागत. आणि त्याचप्रमाणे आपल्या समोर आज नवीन म्हणजे सरांच्या मुली, सावे सरांच्या मुली ज्या आज इकडे आहेत, त्यांचाही आज मी स्वागत करतोय. आणि आता मी मूळ विषयावर येतो. डॉक्टर सर हे आमचे नेहमीचे ओळखीचे, पालघर जिल्ह्यात पालघर तालुक्यात राहतात, त्यामुळे नेहमी दिसणार आहे. 2-4 वेळा डॉक्टर सरांनाही ती जागा दाखवली. म्हणजे आम्ही MIDC मध्ये काम करत असताना 1-2 वेळा आपण डॉक्टर सरांसोबत जागा बघतो, तर नेहमीच ओळखणार आहे. त्यांच्यासोबत आज मी काम करतो म्हणजे मला नक्कीच आनंद आहे. आणि आज त्यांचं व्हॉट्सअपवरचं स्टेटस बघून छाती 10 कोटी झाली. 10,000 करोडाचं स्वप्न माणसाने, हे स्वप्न हे नेहमी ठेवलेच पाहिजे. आणि असे स्वप्न सोबत ठेवले, ही आता 100 लोक असतील, मी म्हणतो ना 10,000 लोक असतील त्याच्यासोबत, त्यांचं कुटुंब झाले याची गॅरंटी मला आहे. आणि ते आध्यात्मिक असल्यामुळे त्यांना देवाची साथ 100% आहे, याचे चित्र सगळ्यांनी पाहिलं. आणि त्यांची श्रद्धा, काम करण्याची ताकद, हे आपल्यासारख्या नॉर्मल माणसाला जमणार नाही. आणि हे अचीवमेंट करणं हे काय साधी सोपी गोष्ट नाहीये. त्यांनी फार लवकरात लवकर, माझ्या हिशोबाने मी जेव्हा जॉईन झालो तेव्हा इम्पल्स मध्ये काही एक चिन्ह दिसत नव्हतं, पण जेव्हा 16-17 पासून जेव्हा इम्पल्स भरारीवर गेलेली आहे, ती आज 150 कंटेनर एक्सपोर्ट करते वर्षाला. आणि आता प्लांट एक्सपांड झाल्यानंतर मला वाटतं ते 300 कंटेनर एक्सपोर्ट करेल इम्पल्स फार्मा. या पद्धतीचं चित्र घेऊन आपण आज जमलेलो आहे. त्यांचे आज चांगलं कार्य केलेलं आहे, जेणेकरून प्रत्येकाला समजलं पाहिजे आपण कुठल्या ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये काम करतो आणि आपण करत राहिलं पाहिजे, त्यांच्या सोबत राहिलं पाहिजे. हीच माझ्या सगळ्या एम्प्लॉईना आणि माझ्यासोबत असणाऱ्या सगळ्या स्टाफला विनंती आहे. असं ऑर्गनायझेशन मिळणं फार कठीण आहे, असं फ्रीडम मिळणं फार कठीण आहे. असं फ्रीडम दुसऱ्या ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये मिळणार नाही याची मला शाश्वती आहे. एवढं बोलून मी माझे 2 शब्द थांबवतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you so much.